Hey all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know, another one by CRKT. Shocker, right? Today we're finally going to take a look at the Parascale. Now before we hop into the video, I mean, CRKT usually gives a bunch of propaganda with everything. So let's take a look and see what they gave us today. Oh yeah, I do need to look that one up. Looks like they're talking about the Free Range Hunter fixed blade. There's something about it that I kind of like with the gray on the gray and the orange. I don't know. There's just something about it. Okay, yes, this one does have a deadbolt. Yes, that's how that deadbolt thing actually works. But in a moment or two, after you've done watching my video, I want you to go right there and check it out. They give you a great demo of all the inner workings and everything else. You might want to look at that. And yep, they've got one about the Parascale in here. But yeah. Alright. And oh yeah, there's more about interesting stuff, but we'll go there in a moment. Okay, boys and girls, the moment you've been waiting for. Here we go. The Parascale. When it first came out, I saw it, I went, hell yeah, I want to get that. Just for the ability to rewrap it and do whatever colors I want on there. But I saw the price and I went, oop, pause. I'm already in enough trouble with knife purchases. I don't need to add fuel to the fire. But hey, I did, so why not? I do like the look of it. I love, you know, basically the satin finish on the blade. You know, the black glass reinforced nylon scales. You can choose your paracord wrapping. Now, there is a great video out there by TJ Schwartz. Basically, go look Parascale rewrap. I'm not going to do it in this video because that will take forever and a day, and you don't want the little time lapse. I mean, go beep, 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 beep. There you go. That's how to do it. I know, cut back on the caffeine, but still. All right, so let's get into the stats and the fun stuff like we usually do. Now, like I mentioned a moment ago, it is, do we have it up here? Yep, right there. TJ Schwartz design. It's got an overall length of 7.875. The blade's 3.125. Sorry, couldn't even read my own writing. Enclosed, it's about 4.625. It comes in with an, and it has a cutting edge of 3 inches. It comes in with a weight of about 5 ounces, and I can guarantee you most of that is that deadbolt locking system, because it is front heavy. I mean, just holding it right there, very front heavy. Now, it's done in the drop point style, with a flat grind and a plain edge with a satin finish. It does have D2 steel, and the one thing I thought was cool is they're able to combine the deadbolt locking system with the IKBS system, so you have a very, very smooth opening there. I do like a little bit of that forward jimping, gives you a little bit more of a control, which I think is really, really cool. Now, we do have a stainless steel frame embedded back in there. You can kind of see it a little bit on both sides. Like I said, it's the deadbolt locking, which is basically plates on plates that connect, and it gives you that really, really, really strong hold. Take a look at that thing I showed you from CRKT. They're going to go into it a hell of a lot better than I ever could. You do have the dual thumb stud opening, and like I said earlier, these are glass reinforced nylon scales, but they kind of have all these grooves and everything else in order to take a paracord wrapping. You can unwrap this and wrap it up with the color of your choice, which I think makes it great because you can really customize your blade that way. We do have a one-position pocket clip, which is right-hand carry, only tip up. Well, you can carry it in your left-hand side. It'll just be a little awkward getting her out, but that's why I love lanyard stuff. And yes, in case you're wondering, it is made in China. Okay, now with all that stuff being out of the way, let's go ahead and do our cut tests. If you're curious why I do these cut tests, take a look right up there. There's a card for why I do these cut tests. First up, as usual, heavy-duty stock paper. Oh, dear God, yes. All right, let's go for curlicue. Yeah, I will take that. Come here. Oh, yeah, I will so take that. Now, the reason why I go that way is because anybody can basically just take a piece of paper and go sharp, sharp, sharp. But when you maintain your angle and you go slow, your paper should do things like that, all right? That's showing that your blade really has no micro abrasions, burrs, or anything else on there like that. And you can see there's really not a lot of snowfall on there. So that's kind of cool. All right, now, next up, paracord. Essentially the bane of my freaking existence with this one from the tactical rope dispenser. But okay, paracord. Sorry, kind of had to roll it around and see what we're going to get this time. All right, here comes that pull test. The fuck? Maybe it's not from the same batch. I'm not going to argue. All right, slice test. All right, I'll deal with that. And yes, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Right through it. Okay. Now, as we usually do, we do have little ratchet fuzzies. Okay. No real damage, no anything else. Okay. So I did the homework and all the good stuff on this guy on 4/20/21. I'm shooting this on 4/21/21. I took a look on Amazon, Blade HQ, and CRKT. Across the board, it's $99.99. I very rarely see that, but seriously, on all three areas, $99.99. The only place anybody's ever reviewed it is on Amazon, and it scored a 4.1 out of 5. Miraculously, a lot of stuff it got marked down for was the paracord wrapping. People are like, ooh, I want different paracord to come with it. I want options for different other cord. I want this. Go buy paracord and do it yourself. That's just my opinion. But still. All right. Now we are at the best part of the video for me. Seriously, I love this part. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below in the comment section. Do you think it's a nice or an F-bomb? A nice or an F-bomb? I like it simply due to the fact you can rewrap that paracord. It looks pretty easy to do from the video that I saw. Yes, it will be a future video. I don't know when. I will get to it, okay? It just gives you that individualization of your own blade so no one can go, oh, I got it that way from the factory. No, you didn't. I wrapped that, so hand it over. But still, for you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know you've got lots of options out there on YouTube. I know this blade's a little bit older, but, you know, I'm very, very grateful that you chose my channel. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers of the channel who have yet to subscribe, well, my question's why? You know, I'm using this one in every single video, so maybe I'll get an answer one day. Why don't you leave me an answer right down below why you have yet to subscribe? After you've done all that fun stuff, please look right here. In a moment or two, you're going to see a big channel symbol popping up right over there. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the park, please, if you so choose, just start a little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? That's a great question, you. Here's your answer. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much and keep bringing us back to YouTube, two will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the CRKT Parascale. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, an incredible day, a safe day, and we'll see you in the next video.